What's up, guys? Thought I'd throw up a little Glock porn on my channel because even though I carry a Glock and shoot Glocks and depend on a Glock for my life every day, I don't really do a lot of Glock videos because I think there's so many of them. But here we go. Since I've been liking Glocks so much lately, learning how to work on them and all the ins and outs, trying different sights, stuff like that. I only have two calibers. I have a 45 and two Glock 19s. That's a 30S. A flush fit 9-round Glock mag. Still have the stock sights. Haven't decided which sights to put on yet, but I'm leaning heavily toward the regular stock Glock night sights. So there's that. Comes with mags that look like this on the bottom. Kind of stick out. Not kind of, they actually stick out a lot. 10 rounders, and I think that's good for a backup, but for concealed you gotta research and invest your time into finding 9-round magazines, because they're not easy to find at a MSRP or retail price. There's the other mag that it came with a Pierce grip extension for maybe if I want to open carry it, or I just want or think I need that extra round. And it's got a space for your pinky, but I can pretty much get my pinky on this 9-rounder, so not really a problem. Next is my 19 flat dark earth. Right now I got the Glock brand night sights on there, which Mepro Light makes them, I think. Got some cat hair on it. I like these sights really good. They're really tight, and I shoot pretty good with them, and at nighttime in the dark they work wonders. So I would not recommend them to anybody ever. It would be the first night sights I recommend because they're the cheapest or the least expensive, but still pretty bright. And I haven't done anything to this. One thing I wanted to mention about this one was I actually put a smooth face trigger on there. If you can't see, there's no serrations. There you go. Shooting after about 200 rounds of 45 in that small light gun really doesn't hurt your hand or your wrist, but it hurt my trigger finger from the ridges on the serrated trigger, so I swapped that out for the smooth face. Pretty easy swap. And last but not least is my Nibex Glock 19, which I've done nothing to but the 25-cent polish job, which I haven't done anything to. This is my carry 9mm. And this I've been carrying this a lot lately, so who knows, I might just switch up to a 45, but I'll always be familiar with the 9mm and ready to carry that. So anyway, the sights are Ameriglow cap sights. It's got a tritium front and a blacked out rear with a dash on the bottom to help you line up that front box, which the front is a square and not round, and it's charges in the light, so it glows in the dark pretty well. Let's see if I can get this. Yeah. And even if you can't even charge them, you still have that front tritium post to pick up in the dark if you need. But really what these sights are good for is competition. People use them for target shooting. That's why I bought them. And that's what I mainly use this Glock for, is just plinking and target shooting and stuff like that. Trying to have fun with accuracy and Glocks and 9mm, and that's about it. So thought I'd throw this boring ass Glock porn video and explain some of my Glocks and what I do with them. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.